on another Mirabella adventure. We're going to the beach. Yeah, we're gonna go to Carpinteria, which is about an hour and a half from us. So we all are in the car and we're ready to start our adventure. Yay! Yay!
Yay, yay, yay.
So we're at Carpinteria and the kids are loving it. Oh, this was our first time at this beach and it's a lovely beach, and as you can see the waves are just right for kids and there's plenty of beach to go around. Lots of people on the beach today, but we got a great spot over here. Not a lot of crowds. It's gonna be a really nice beach day, so let's go explore Carpinteria. You burying my feet?
No, don't bury Baka's feet.
Yeah.
No, he's got the sandals on. Bury my...
Chill, we have making one for you.
That breeze is chilly. Aria, don't lay down in the sand. You'll get sand all in your hair.